Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Create a restore point and back up important files so you can recover if needed. Once done, pause updates in Settings Update and Security Windows Update to stop new installs temporarily, and then open Services. MSC to stop and set Windows Update Service to manual. This prevents immediate redownload. Make sure to run as administrator. These steps halt automatic behavior, giving you time to remove the specific Windows 11 upgrade files safely. Next, remove the upgrade payload itself. Use Disk Cleanup or Settings Storage to clean temporary files and run Windows Update Cleanup to remove installed update components. Then, with admin rights, delete $Windows, $BT and $Windows, $WS from C. These folders hold the upgrade installer. Remove them only after stopping the update service. Also check Settings, Update, and Security View Update History, and use Uninstall Updates to remove any feature update entries. Together, these steps free space. To finish, restart the PC and re-enable the Windows Update service, choosing manual if you want control or automatic to resume normal updates. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair any corrupted update components and ensure system integrity. If the Windows 11 upgrade still appears, use System Restore or Open Recovery. Go back to the previous version to roll back. If rollback fails, that is your key troubleshooting tip. Restore from the point you created at the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.